How to install the body and headrest pads for the Perfect Chair Performance Upholstery package. So first you're going to recline the chair all the way back. And then you are going to install the body pad on the chair frame. And when you do this, you slide the footrest pocket over the end of the frame and make sure that is installed as far as it can go. Then incline the chair. Lift up on the body pad to detach it from the seat, pull it up toward the seat, then firmly press down on the seat to secure it to the canvas. Unroll the hook and loop fastener, and then you are going to line that up with the hook and loop fastener strip that is on the back of the chair. And make sure it lines up completely so that it does not detach. And press it down. And you could test this by pushing down the pad to make sure it doesn't detach. Next, you are going to install the headrest sock and make sure the padding that is on the sock is facing the rear of the chair. And next is the headrest pad. Then you are going to take the flap with the hook and loop fastener and tuck it into the headrest pad to attach the hook and loop fastener to the inside of the pad. Be sure to tuck the flap and secure between the headrest sock and inside the headrest pad, not behind the headrest sock. Press to secure. You can check by pulling up on the headrest pad.